Welcome to the fascinating world of ethical hacking. In this digital age, network security is paramount. Understanding vulnerabilities is key to protecting yourself and your data. One such vulnerability is the man-in-the-middle, or MITM, attack. This essay will guide you through the basics of MITM attacks, how they work, and how to perform them ethically using Kali Linux. Imagine this, you're at a coffee shop using their Wi-Fi. You log into your bank account unaware that someone is watching. They're not physically behind you, but they're intercepting your every move in the digital realm. This is the essence of an MITM attack, a silent eavesdropper in the digital world. MITM attacks are a serious threat to online security. They can be used to steal sensitive information like login credentials, credit card details, and personal data. Learning about them is crucial for anyone who wants to understand and improve their cybersecurity posture. This essay will equip you with the knowledge to understand and perform MITM attacks ethically. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the wrong hands, it can be dangerous. Always use your skills responsibly and ethically. A man-in-the-middle, or MITM attack, is a type of cyber attack where an attacker secretly intercepts and relays communication between two parties. These parties believe they are directly communicating with each other, unaware of the attacker's presence. Think of it like this. You're sending a letter to a friend. An attacker intercepts the letter, reads its contents, and then reseals it before delivering it to your friend. Your friend receives the letter, unaware that someone else has read it. In the digital world, this interception happens on computer networks. An attacker can position themselves between your computer and a website, or between two devices on a network. They can then eavesdrop on your communication, stealing sensitive information, or even manipulating the data being exchanged. MITM attacks exploit the trust established between two communicating entities. By placing themselves in the middle, attackers can passively observe and record data, or actively inject malicious code or modify the communication. This can have serious consequences, leading to data breaches, financial losses, and identity theft. Understanding how MITM attacks work is crucial for anyone who wants to protect themselves online. By learning about the techniques used in these attacks, you can better understand how to prevent them and keep your data safe. For those venturing into ethical hacking and network security testing, Kali Linux is an indispensable ally. It's not just a tool, but a comprehensive platform that empowers security professionals to perform their tasks with precision and efficiency. It's a Debian-based operating system specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. This means it's built on a solid, reliable foundation, ensuring stability and performance. Unlike typical operating systems, Kali Linux comes pre-packaged with a vast arsenal of tools, eliminating the need for individual installations. This saves time and ensures that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Think of Kali Linux as a fully equipped workshop for a cybersecurity professional. It's like having a toolbox that's always ready, no matter what challenge you face. Whether you're interested in network scanning, vulnerability analysis, web application testing, or wireless security assessments, Kali Linux has the right tool for the job. Each tool is designed to perform specific tasks, making your work more efficient and effective. One of the key advantages of Kali Linux is its user-friendly nature. Despite its powerful capabilities, it's designed to be accessible for both beginners and seasoned professionals. This means that no matter your level of expertise, you can start using Kali Linux effectively. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive documentation make it easy to navigate and utilize its wide array of features. The documentation is detailed and well organized, providing step-by-step guides and tutorials. Moreover, Kali Linux is an open-source project, meaning its source code is freely available for anyone to examine, modify, and distribute. This openness ensures that the software remains transparent and trustworthy. This transparency fosters a strong community of developers and security enthusiasts who contribute to its continuous improvement and development. The community is active and supportive, always ready to help and share knowledge. In the context of MITM attacks, Kali Linux becomes a powerful platform for learning and experimentation. It allows you to simulate real-world scenarios in a controlled environment. It provides all the necessary tools to perform these attacks ethically, allowing you to understand how they work and how to defend against them. This hands-on experience is invaluable for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Section 4. Essential Tools, Wireshark, Mitmproxy, and more. In the world of ethical hacking and network security, having the right tools can make all the difference. These tools are the backbone of any security professional's toolkit, enabling them to identify vulnerabilities, monitor network traffic, and protect against potential threats. When it comes to MITM attacks, there are several essential tools that every ethical hacker should be familiar with. These tools not only help in identifying potential threats but also in understanding the intricacies of network communication. Wireshark. Imagine being able to see every single piece of data that flows through a network. This tool is indispensable for anyone serious about network security. That's what Wireshark allows you to do. It provides a detailed view of network traffic, making it easier to spot anomalies and potential security breaches. This powerful network protocol analyzer captures network traffic in real time, allowing you to see the raw data packets being exchanged between devices. It's an essential tool for diagnosing network issues and ensuring data integrity. It's like having a microscope for your network, allowing you to analyze and understand network communication at a granular level. This level of detail is crucial for identifying and mitigating potential threats. Mitmproxy. While Wireshark excels at capturing and analyzing network traffic at a low level, Mitmproxy focuses specifically on HTTP and HTTPS traffic. This makes it an invaluable tool for web developers and security professionals alike. It acts as a proxy server, sitting between your browser and the internet. This intermediary position allows it to capture and analyze web traffic in real time. This allows you to intercept, view, and even modify HTTP requests and responses. Such capabilities are essential for testing web applications and ensuring they are secure against potential attacks. It's particularly useful for analyzing and manipulating web traffic. By understanding how data is transmitted over the web, you can better protect against vulnerabilities. Wi-Fi Pineapple. As the name suggests, this pocket-sized device is a hacker's best friend when it comes to wireless networks. Its compact size belies its powerful capabilities. It can create rogue access points, mimicking legitimate Wi-Fi networks. This can be used to lure unsuspecting users into connecting to a malicious network. Unsuspecting users might connect to these rogue access points, allowing the attacker to intercept their traffic and steal sensitive information. This highlights the importance of being cautious when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. It's a powerful tool for demonstrating the dangers of unsecured Wi-Fi networks. By showing how easily data can be intercepted, it underscores the need for secure connections. MITMF. This framework, short for Man-in-the-Middle Framework, is a collection of tools and scripts specifically designed for MITM attacks. It offers a comprehensive suite of functionalities for various attack vectors. It provides a streamlined way to perform various MITM attack vectors, including ARP spoofing, DNS spoofing, and more. This makes it a versatile tool for both offensive and defensive security operations. It's like a Swiss Army knife for MITM attacks, providing a versatile set of tools for different scenarios. Whether you're testing network security or conducting a penetration test, MITMF has you covered. These are just a few of the essential tools used in MITM attacks. Each tool has its own unique features and capabilities, making them indispensable for any ethical hacker. Each tool offers unique capabilities, and mastering them is crucial for any ethical hacker looking to understand and exploit network vulnerabilities. By becoming proficient with these tools, you can better protect networks and ensure data security. Section 5. Setting the stage. Preparing your Kali Linux environment. Before diving into the intricacies of MITM attacks, it's essential to set up your Kali Linux environment properly. This step is fundamental to ensure that all your tools and configurations are in place, providing a seamless experience as you These tools provide a user-friendly interface for managing your network settings. Lastly, it's a good practice to update your Kali Linux system and install any missing tools. Keeping your system up to date ensures that you have the latest features and security patches. You can use the and commands to update your system. These commands will fetch the latest updates and apply them to your system. For installing specific tools, you can use the command followed by the package name. This allows you to customize your environment with the tools you need. For example, to install Wireshark, you would run. This tool is essential for network analysis and will be invaluable in your ethical hacking toolkit. By properly setting up your Kali Linux environment, you'll ensure that you have a stable and secure platform for conducting your ethical hacking activities. This preparation is key to your success. Remember, a well-prepared environment is crucial for successful and safe penetration testing. Taking the time to set up your environment correctly will pay off in the long run.